one carry bag rather than one, you have two. And two also you fill in such a way, पता है कि वहाँ तो 20 kg है, यहाँ तो कर सकते हैं, ये तो कंधे पे है. What happens? By the time you come home, shoulders are in pain, back is in pain. Why is that? Carrying more baggage than I can take care. It means it's not wrong having baggages, but then you can be empty. And problem is you say, why I feel empty. मजे की बात यह है कि सब कुछ है फिर भी मैं एम्प्टी फील करूं, इसका मतलब है कि कहीं ना कहीं मैं भटक गई, मैं लॉस्ट हो गई. उस मैं के लिए जिसके पास सब कुछ था, क्या खोया मैंने और क्या पाया? What is that which I have lost? First let us see, we try to fill our shelves all the time. ये भर ले, ये shopping, वो shopping. One almirah is full, other almirah is full. The shelf becomes full, but self becomes empty. When we try to understand the life is to have more, to have more, to have more, then having more is never enough. Never enough. People who came as emperor on this earth, they try to win the heavens, but end of the day they left this earth empty. Look at the Alexander the Great. This great story behind him he has left, a great message through his life. He tried to win every country, conquer every country, came to India also. Minor Asia, then Major Asia, then this and that, and ultimately when the story says before he died he was very sick. He called his doctor. In those days we did not have allopathy system. It was called Hakims, all those doctors. He called those Hakims. He is a very famous Hakim. उनका नाम था, आ जाएगा. So he called that Hakim, very famous of that time. He gave his medicine, but finally he has told him, I think now you have a days in number. He called his minister. He said, whatever I have gathered from all those countries, bring everything. And bring those countries' maps also. I have one. He was putting every time dot, one dot, done, 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 conquered. And he said, share with everybody whatever I have gathered. सब लुटा दिया उन्होंने. And he said, when I die, this is my will, keep my hands out of the coffin. Never happens because in the coffin, keep the hands together, the whole body straight together. He said, keep my hands out of the coffin. But the minister said, but this is not the tradition. He said, what I say, just do it. He said, is any message there? He said, yes, the message is very simple. The Alexandra, the people say the great. Today I realize it's not you conquer the world and you are conqueror. You are conqueror when you conquer yourself. Today I feel I conquered everything, but I lost me. Let there be a message from my life to all. The life is not to have more. Life is to be more. So my dear, having more is not wrong. Don't take me wrong. It's not wrong. Have more. Have fun. Life is fun. But at the same time, we have to give a new meaning to that having more. That not for me only, but for all. What we are doing there when we are staying there, we are offering to the fire. When we are offering to the fire, we always chant the mantra, Om idam agnaye swaha, idam agnaye idannamam. Om Vishnave Swaha, idam Vishnave idannamam. Om Vayave Swaha. As he was explaining all these 5 elements, then we, amazing thing is, we don't take the name of the divine first, we take the name of these elements first. They have given us life. We are also made of those 5 elements. And then we say, I offer to the divine, whatever is given to me is not for me, is for all, is for you, is for all. When I say you, means is for you, means whom I see here in the corner. When I start seeing in every corner the same divine, give any name to that divine, doesn't matter. That divine, whom I see here, I can start seeing everywhere. When I see everywhere, means in everyone. Then the mantra says, Isha Vasamidam Sarvam Yat Kincha Jagatyam Jagat. The first mantra of the Upanishad. Isha Vasamidam. This whole world is pervaded by the divine. He is pervasive everywhere. If he is everywhere, it is in everyone. That means I have to be very consciously. My life should be full of awareness. My life should be full of consciousness. That I am going to be aware now. It's not me only. Who is in me is in all. That I live. I enjoy. But at the same time, I should live in such a way that I can see the joy of others also. And my life should be in the joy of others. And that is being more. Then life becomes sharing. Every minute, every moment, every second, you don't get tired. You don't say, why I should keep doing it? And people sometimes have a wrong meaning also. That if you close your eyes, sit in meditation, hours and hours, that is really great. God will be very happy. God is not happy because you close your eyes. God is happy, you open your eyes and see Him in everyone. Closing my eye means that at least I can get connected to that reality, to that truth, to that core truth of my life. And what is that? That is, it's not me. And when this becomes very apparent in life, you start living not for you, but for all. Then the desires, which makes me caged and prisoned. If I want something from somebody, it means I'm putting myself in the cage, in the box of that person or of those things or whatever. It's not that I don't want them. It's not wanting is wrong, desire is wrong. If there was no desire, you can't be generalist. If there was no desire, you could not have been come from Singapore to here. It's not that desire is wrong. But desire, when we have limitless desires, one after other, the problem is one is full, we are happy, we want more. And when it's not full, or whoever is the reason not making it full, we become angry at that person, that I wanted this and this way, not happen, I am unhappy. I lose my peace. Just because that person has not danced according to my tune, I become unhappy. I lose my peace. It means desire here is eating me up now. Desire was to give me something, to feel me full. Rather than feeling full, I became victim of the desire. So desire is wrong when it makes me the victim. And I lose everything. I lose my peace. I lose my happiness. I become happy. I have ice cream. I love it. Great. Super. I'm happy. I love movie. Gone to movie, seen movie, come back. I'm happy. But happiness, 3 hours. I like drinking. I had it. And then there's a hangover. But there is a happiness, my dear, where there is no hangover. That happy hour. When you connect to yourself, that you, which is true, when you connect to that core, and believe me, all the time, whether desires are full, not full, this much or that much, this is your own way of taking. कितना, it's not repetition all the time. वैसे तो कितना मुझे चाहिए, बार बार चाहिए, इतना चाहिए, उतना चाहिए, इससे चाहिए, फिर उससे चाहिए, फिर वहाँ भी चाहिए, and keeps dreaming and dreaming and dreaming. All those fantasies, all those desires then make you unhappy. If the desire is under control, is with awareness, will not make you unhappy. The awareness should not be lost. And second thing, my expectations from others makes me unhappy. From things or from people. हुआ तो ठीक, नहीं हुआ तो समस्या. समस्या जब बने तो समझना कि गड़बड़ शुरू हुई. तो मेरे पेस भी ना जाए, मेरी समस्या भी ना बने, और मैं जीवन भी जी लूं. तो इसका मतलब है डिजायर्स हो, लिमिट में हो. मुझे ड्रॉ करनी पड़ेगी लाइन कि मेरी नीड और मेरी ग्रीड में कितना अंतर है. वो मेरे ऊपर है, मैं कहाँ खुश हो जाऊं. लोग मिस यूनिवर्स के साथ भी खुश नहीं हो सकते, और लोग खुश हो जाएं तो जो है मेरी वही मिस यूनिवर्स है. ये भी तो है. डिपेंड करता है कि मैं कहाँ लाइन ड्रॉ करता हूं, कितनी नीड है, कितनी ग्रीड है, और कहाँ मैं उसको क्रॉस कर रहा हूँ, कहाँ नहीं कर रहा हूँ. क्रॉस करते समय भी अवेयर है कि नहीं है. अवेयरनेस तो लूज नहीं हो रही है ना. अगर अवेयरनेस लूज हो गई तो कुछ भी क्रॉस करो गड़बड़. और अवेयरनेस में है तो क्रॉस करते समय भी आप समझ रहे हैं कि वेयर यू आर. बात जो भी मेरे पास है, जितने भी मेरे पास हैं, उन सब के साथ साथ मैं जीता कैसे हूं. बात क्वांटिटी की नहीं, बात क्वालिटी की है. क्वांटिटी बहुत है लोगों के पास. कई बार क्वालिटी जब खत्म होने लगती है तो फिर पीस भी छिन्न भिन्न होने लगती है. मेरी क्वांटिटी में क्वालिटी बनी रहे. और वो तब होता है जब व्यक्ति सोचने लगता है कि नहीं, इच्छाएं तो हों लेकिन इतनी ना हो कि मेरे बैक एक हो जाए या मुझे शोल्डर पेन करने लगे. आई हैव टू ट्रैवल. लाइफ इज अ जर्नी. इन दैट जर्नी ट्रैवल इज नॉट द ट्रैवल लेस. ट्रैवल मोर पर बैगेज लेस. How much baggage we can carry, we know that. सिर फटने लगता है कई बार, जान निकलने लगती है, मन लगता है कि बस बहुत हो गया. उन सब क्षणों में फिर कोई एक कनेक्टिविटी चाहिए, कोई ग्राउंडिंग चाहिए, कोई एंकरिंग चाहिए. And that anchoring, that grounding is not somewhere there only. It's not somewhere there only. That religion also sometimes box me in many ways. Sometimes religion boxes you, but the spirituality makes you free. And that spirituality is not only in one place or in one corner. That can be in every corner. That can be everywhere. जंगल में बैठ गए, आनंदा में बैठे हैं, आनंद आने लगा. और फिर मैं घर जब वापस जाऊं तो वहां भी मुझे लगे ये नहीं कि आनंदा छोड़ा, आनंद छोड़ा. आनंदा छूटे, आनंद न छूटे. बस बात बन जाएगी. आनंदा इसलिए कि मेरी बैटरी चार्ज हो जाए, ये गंगा इसलिए कि मेरी बैटरी चार्ज हो जाए. जिंदगी भर तो गंगा के किनारे सब नहीं रह पाते, आनंदा में नहीं रह सकते. कितने दिन, वो भी इतना महंगा, सब नहीं रह सकते. लेकिन इट्स ब्यूटीफुल, सो नाइस. इवन फ्यू डेज इज वंडरफुल. Even living here for few days is great. But how you have to do, because wherever you go, you take yourself also. आदमी ओशन के किनारे जाता है हॉलीडेज के लिए, वहाँ भी खुद को साथ ही लेके जाता है वो. मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ wherever you go, there you are. You take yourself also. But when you are here, when you go back after 2 days, you take that peace also with you. The peace is not in the place. Peace is right here. Peace कब मिली? जब मैं शांत हो गई. Peace कब मिली? यहाँ के मैंने सोचना शुरू किया, वे व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, क्या हो रहा है मेरी लाइफ को। जो मुझे थोड़ा टाइम मिला वो सोचने का, वो स्पेस, क्रिएट दैट स्पेस, एक्सपैंड दैट स्पेस, वेयर एवर यू आर, यू विल बी इन पीस।